So hello everyone, my name is Melanie and thank you so much for clicking back to my channel. So I've been wanting to do this for so long. My favorite holiday is Christmas and I love the limited edition. I wanted to do it for October but I wasn't able to. But I am able to do it for Christmas, so let me show you guys everything that I have. So it's kind of a lot. I kind of went like all out. Oh, and I have my like Christmas PJs, super cute. You can see some of my decorations in the back. But okay, let me grab all my stuff. And this is all holiday limited edition snacks from Target. So this is only from Target that I got. Okay, so let's start. So let's start off with the cereal. So I got an Elf on the Shelf cereal. It is already open. My boyfriend opened some of the stuff already, but I haven't tried it. So let's see. Look at the color. It's pretty. Oh my god, that's too much. Oopsies. I just wanted to do a little bit. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So let's see. I'm an almond milk drinker. I don't know if you guys are too, but let's put some milk. I'm so excited, you guys. Like so excited to try this. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it's fruity for sure. It says it's sugar cookie cereal with the marshmallows. These little marshmallows. It's good. It's good. It's not like amazing, but it's good. I would give it like a 7 out of 10 for sure. Yeah, I'll eat it. Okay, maybe like a 7.5. Let's do 7.5. That was pretty good. Okay. What? Okay, I'm gonna try these since I just have it in front of me. So the Milano cookie. So I'm not a big peppermint person, to be honest. But I was like, I gotta try it. Let's see if this is good. Let's see. Oh my god. Open it. So they look like this. My camera. There it is. So that's what it looks like. This is pretty good. I'm not a peppermint person, but the peppermint is not overwhelming. It's just like a little bit. I'll give these like, the cereal 7.5. I'll give this like a 7. It's a good 7, I would say. And I have water for all these snacks. Yeah, that one deserves like a 7. Okay. I'm gonna try these Krispy Kreme donuts. So yes, my boyfriend ate into them, but this is a limited edition. I only had 2 flavors. So this one, I think it's just a normal one actually. It's just festive. I don't think it has a Let me see. That one's good, but it's just a normal glazed with chocolate on top, so nothing special about that one. But this one is supposed to be a sugar cookie donut. That's what it is, so it looks good. That one's pretty good. That one does taste like a sugar cookie for sure. I'll give that like a 7.3 out of 10. It was good. Definitely gives me sugar cookie vibes for sure. But it's not like amazing. Like I don't think I can eat like, you know, like one or two of them. You know what I mean? Like back to back. But it's good for sure. It's good. Okay, let's start with these. So these are holiday edition Hostess cupcakes. So I don't know if like they taste different or it just says frosted yellow cake with creamy filling. So let's see. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Okay. It's just a regular Hostess cupcake. It's good though. Definitely good. I would give that like 7.5 too, like the cereal. I can eat this. But there's just nothing, like taste-wise, there's nothing special. I thought maybe there was like some peppermint or something. It's just festive, but it's good. It is good. Okay. This is a big one. Look at this. So this is white fudge covered with white fudge on top. And this is also just a limited edition. So I love Oreos. But I wonder what the top is. Wow. They look different. It's completely covered. I thought it was just like half covered. But it's like completely covered. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is like completely covered. Okay. I did not like that much, to be honest. That was my least favorite. I liked the Oreo, but I didn't like the cream on top. It's just like too much. I don't know, if you like really like sweet stuff, definitely get that. But I don't think I don't. So it was just kind of like too much. So I would give that maybe like a, I don't know, like a 6. A 6 out of 10. It wasn't my favorite. Okay, then Target has these. So this is a gingerbread cheesecake sandwich cookie. I love gingerbread. Love it, love it, love it. So I hope this one is good. I'm a big gingerbread fan. Look how cute. yum. Okay. Okay. A little disappointing. And the reason why is the gingerbread. It doesn't taste like gingerbread. It tastes just like really strong, like nutmeg. Have you had like some really strong nutmeg that like someone put like too much in it? That's what it tastes like. It's kind of like spicy in the end. Oh, I really wanted to like this one. I think this one's gonna be at the bottom. I'm gonna give this like, I don't know, a 4 out of 10. I don't recommend it. If you really like gingerbread, I don't recommend it. If you like more like nutmeg, kind of like spicy in the end, it's definitely good for that. But oh my gosh. Now I just got one of the classics, like cupcakes, festive cupcakes. And I got the mini ones, so I don't eat them all. And of course my boyfriend ate one already. But look at how cute, little cute mini. Okay. Of course. Classic. Classic. It's good. It's just a regular cupcake. But I had to get it just because they're festive. Okay, we have 2 more things left. I'm getting so thirsty. Are these sweets? Okay. So Target also had these. So I love sugar cookies. Just like a good old plain sugar cookie is so good to me. And they have these handcrafted. They look so pretty. Like, look. This one is Rudolph, a reindeer. Then they have... Okay, my camera died, so I had to go to my phone. But okay, I showed you guys this. Then what else does it have? Oh, it has a Santa Claus. Look at how cute that is. And the last thing is the Target dog that's on there. So I'm going to try Rudolph because I'm curious if this has any like flavor. So I hope these are good. I love sugar cookies. I'm a big fan, big fan. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, that's really hard, but okay. Flavor is there, kind of. Never mind, the aftertaste was kind of bad, but the cookie's way too hard. I don't think a sugar cookie should be that hard. It should be like soft. Not too soft, but you know what I mean? It's like look. Do you guys hear that? Like, it's just way too hard. It should just like break, you know? So I give that like a 5. I wouldn't, or a 4. Honestly, probably a 4 too. This one and the gingerbread a 4. Like, I wouldn't buy it again. No, I don't know what to do with all these cookies. Maybe I'll give them to some people, but I can't. No. Okay, last item, and I'm so stoked. I got these candy canes, and they're Jolly Rancher candy canes. Who does not love Jolly Ranchers? The flavors are green apple, blue raspberry, and cherry. So I told myself, like, oh, if you don't eat them, I can just put it on your tree. You know, like candy canes on your tree. But my favorite is blue raspberry out of the Jolly Ranchers. So let's try it. I want to make sure I'm not eating plastic. Did I take out all the plastic? Oh no, I didn't. It's kind of hard to see. Okay. Let's see. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I know it's taking me long, but oh, there it is. That's why I kept sucking it. Because it tasted good, but it didn't taste like blue raspberry, like Jolly Rancher flavor. And I was like, where is it? But now I can't taste it. Okay, yeah. These are definitely good. I would give these, honestly, an 8 out of 10 because they do really taste like blue raspberry from the Jolly Rancher. It just takes a little bit of time. So if you do get it, just suck on it a little bit more and then you'll taste it. This one's good. I'm keeping these for sure. Well, anyways, thank you so much for coming and watching my YouTube video. I hope you guys liked the limited edition holiday snacks that I got at Target. Leave any comments below if you guys want me to try something else. I know the holidays is ending though, so I don't know what other limited edition stuff they'll have. But if you want me to do a video on something, I will. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment something down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh my god, my tongue is all blue.